how to change group chat name on TikTok. So if you already created a group chat and I want to rename the group chat, or you want to change the existing name of the group chat, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change group chat name on TikTok, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the TikTok app on your phone. Now, once you open the TikTok app and you're on your TikTok feeds, click on the impulse button on the navigation. Then once you selected that, then you should see your group chat here. So click on the name of the group chat like this. Then tap change name. Then here you can just go ahead, type in the name you want to change your group chat to, just like this. Then once you tap it, click on the save button. Then you should see the group chat name change to this. Now, to make the group chat easily accessible, go ahead, click on the three dots at the top right. Then here, turn on pin to the top. Then once you enable pin to the top, hit the back button. Then you should see your group chat pin to the top here. Refresh the page. So you can easily access the group chat, or better still, close the TikTok app, then go ahead and open it again. Once opened, click on the impulse icon on the navigation. Then here you should see your group chat. So you can easily access your group chat on your TikTok page. So that is basically how to change TikTok group chat name. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.